I will explain how to operate and fix your air conditioner's heating mode. I will tell you 2 methods to switch to heat mode in your air conditioner. The first important thing is that if your air conditioner is only a cool model, heating will not work in it. The heating will only work if your air conditioner is a heat and cool model. A customer sent me both the indoor and outdoor circuit boards from his air conditioner and told me that the heating was not working despite the air conditioner model being heat and cool. Let's find out why the heating is not working in this air conditioner. I will power on the circuit board. The display of the circuit is turned on but is in off condition. I will turn the circuit on with the remote. I have turned it on but in cool mode at 16 degrees. I will press the mode button on the remote. It has switched to dry mode. I have pressed the mode button again. This mode icon tells you that only the blower wheel of the air conditioner will work. After pressing it again, it is set to auto mode. I will press the mode button again. It has again been set to cool mode. You can clearly see that no heat mode is present in this remote. Now, the question is, how will we operate the air conditioner in heat mode? So I have got another air conditioner remote to help you clarify further. The companies whether manufacture hot, cool, or heat and cool air conditioner models. They place the same remote for all the models. This remote has all the modes, including heat mode. If you don't know the model of your air conditioner, you will be muddled at the remote is showing me all the modes, but why is not operating in heat mode? To solve this confusion, this type of remote is manufactured. You can set this remote for the cool model and also for the heat and cool model too. This is a slightly hidden setting in the remote. To set the remote to heat mode, I will remove the cover from the backside where the batteries are inserted. After removing it, you will find this dip switch. So, this dip switch is used to set the remote according to your air conditioner model. I will bring the 1 number switch downward and move the 2 number upward. Now, the remote is set for the heat and cool air conditioner model. Let's check whether it works or not. I will change the mode. The heat mode icon is still not shown on the remote. After changing the setting of the dip switches, remove the battery from the remote. If the single battery is removed, the remote will turn off. I will insert the battery back into the remote. Everything has been reset in the remote. Now, all the new functions will be added to the remote. I will press the mode button. The sun icon is shown on the display, which means the heat mode has been activated in the remote. I will explain the second method for switching the air conditioner to heating on this indoor unit. Remove the top hood of the air conditioner. You will see the on and off switch here, or the emergency switch will be written here. Take a pen or pencil or any non-conductive material. Then press the button on this switch 1 time. A beep sound was heard from the air conditioner. The air conditioner has started to operate. It has turned on at a 24-degree cooling temperature. This air conditioner is a heat and cool model, but the company has not made a function that could turn the air conditioner into heat mode through the emergency button. We can't turn the heat mode without a remote, but it is possible that your air conditioner could have this feature. You could try it out. By pressing the first time, your air conditioner will start on cool mode. By pressing the button a second time, your air conditioner will switch to heat mode. The temperature default value in heating mode is set differently in different brands without operating heat mode without the remote. I will press the button a third time. The air conditioner display will turn off. This is how you can switch your air conditioner to heat mode. Support the channel on Patreon. Link in the description. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch the next videos. And subscribe. Thank you.